house design. Think about it. Think about it. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, or you've never seen one on the off chance, randomly, I keep getting, he's getting wary of these woods. He keeps sniffing in the air like there's something here. Twice he's done it now, so there's something here. Goody. Goody. But let's talk about the design to keep spirits high and keep our mind off things. Who designed that? Who designed that? Who drew that down and was like, that's a good idea for an animal. That's brilliant. I don't know if it's an evolution thing or a God thing. I don't know. Whoever the God animal is, the animal God is, I don't know. But what were they thinking? What on earth were they thinking? Antlers the size of doors, a face looking like a used, oh my god. We'll say a sock filled up with snooker balls instead. Oh god, Kieran, come on. You don't want another social media strike. Legs. The front legs are normal, like horse legs. Normal, like sheep legs. Normal, like bloody rhino legs. The back legs, their elbows are on back to front. They're facing the other way. What is that all about? And this is not to mention the size. What's that all about? Think about it. What is it all about? Imagine that thing running at you with one set of legs doing normal as you know, as our legs work. In fact, that's probably a better example. Going through every animal I could think of at that time, not mentioning how we walk. And the back legs facing the other way. Imagine that running at you. It'll be like a bloody, you know, like the little wind turbines outside farms, larger farms, where they're keeping costs down via a wind turbine. It'll be like 4 of them going on a rogue one, all coming at you differently. It will look like the bloody thing out of a car sales place in Family Guy, when it's like, I can't remember what it bloody says, the wavy arm man. It will look like that running at you. All the time, it can do you in. So it's not even a, oh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it, beautiful. Look at this little wind turbine farm trotting towards me at 50 miles an hour. Because it will still do you in.